Introducing the Neo Sync Box by Lytmi, a great way to relight your entire on-screen experience. Using high-end sync coding and an array of multi-linked LED lights, the Neo Sync Box can transform what you're seeing on-screen to light up the environment around you. Movies never look so epic. Games never so immersive. Perfectly synced with what's on screen, the ambient lighting will accurately reproduce the colors of the scene you're watching, from the moody lights of downtown Chicago, all the way up to the bright hues of the Asgardian realm. The Lytmi Neo Sync Box works on a range of different devices, from PC and Mac, Apple TV, Chromecast, Xbox, PlayStation, and many more. So no matter your device, you can just plug and play in 4K. Use the Lytmi app to control a range of different modes and settings. Neo can also sync with any music playing in the room using the internal microphone. Want to set the mood in the evening? The Neo box can integrate itself seamlessly with any other smart lights in your home.
Alexa, turn the lights on.
You can even use your Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant to effortlessly set the tone simply by using your voice. The Neo Sync Box can be installed on any size TV up to 150 inches. Every scene, every moment, every feeling. Neo by Lytmi will make sure it's always lit.